Good day everyone. For today's video, we are going to solve this problem about heating and dehumidifying. During a humidification process, air is heated from 25 degrees C to 50 degrees C. If the mass flow rate is 0.8 kilograms per second, find the sensible heat added. So our given is T1 is 25 degrees C, T2 is 50 degrees C. Mass of air is 0.8 kilograms per second, and our Cp is 1.02 kilojoules per kilogram Kelvin. So our required for this is the sensible heat, or the QS. So QS is equal to MA times Cp times delta T, or T2 minus T1. So QS is equal to 0.8 kilogram per second times 1.02 kilojoules per kilogram Kelvin times 50 minus 25 degrees Celsius. So cancel the kilogram and the temperature. We have left the kilojoules per second, which is kilowatt. So our QS is now 20.4 kilowatt. And for our next problem, we have air at 20 degrees C and 80% RH is processed until its humidity ratio is 0.004 kilogram vapor over kilogram of dry air, and temperature is 40 degrees C. Find the final relative humidity. So our given is T2 is equal to 40 degrees C. Humidity ratio is equal to 0.004 kilograms of vapor over kilograms of dry air, and we have Psat at 40 degrees C is equal to 7.38 kPa. We are required to solve for the RH2. So our solution is W is equal to 0.622 multiplied by PV over P ATM minus PV. So we have 0.004 equals 0.622 PV over 101.325 minus PV. So we cannot solve PV now. So our PV is 0.65 kPa. Since we have now our PV, we cannot solve the RH. So our formula for RH is equal to PV over Psat. So our PV, since our PV is 0.65 kPa over Psat, which is 7.38 kPa. So cancel the units. So we have RH is equal to 8.8%. And for our next problem, we have a dehumidifier processes 500 cubic meter per hour of air at 35 degrees C, and humidity ratio of 0.015 kilograms of vapor over kilograms of dry air, and it has a specific volume of 0.89 cubic meter per kilogram. Find the mass flow rate in kilogram per second. So our given is, we have the mass flow rate is 500 cubic meter per hour, and we have the specific volume of 0.89 cubic meter per kilogram, and we are required to solve for the mass flow rate in kilogram per second. So to solve this, we have the formula of MA is equal to V over V, the specific volume. So 500 cubic meter per hour over 0.89 cubic meter per kilogram So cancel the cubic meter, we have left for the kilogram per hour. So our MA is equal to 561.8 kilogram per hour since it required to find the MA in kilogram per second. So we need to convert this kilogram per hour into kilogram per second. So 561.8 kilogram per hour multiplied by 1 hour over 3,600 seconds. So cancel the unit hour. So we have left kilogram per second. So our MA now is 0.156 kilogram per second. And that's all. Thank you.